So before we get started, let's just go back and recap what we're going to be doing. We're going to be rebuilding this website, my website, the davidmillerwebdev.com. We've downloaded the theme that we're going to be using, the Zerif Lite theme. And the reason why we're going to use that theme is because it does everything we want it to do to look professional and beautiful, just like the big companies. They have their logo, they've got a big pretty picture in the background, a call to action button, again, logo, call to action button, big picture, very easy and clean sections to understand what the website and what it's all about. And likewise, this is just a good theme because it has the call to action, which will take us to how the website works, what it's all about. It has these dynamic, cool links, and just really cool sections, separators that make it look professional and beautiful and like it's like $1 million website. And it has a nice get in touch contact form for everyone. And we're going to go step by step through this theme, customizing it the way we want. So let's go ahead right now and close these unneeded tabs down. Okay, and so what we're going to do is we're going to go step by step building the website, and we're going to first go back and let's take a look at the theme itself in its raw form. So right now it's got their logo, Zerif. It's got a sample page. So don't worry about all this. We're going to customize it to where it looks just like the way we want it. And I'm going to take you through exactly how to do it. Go back to dashboard. So the first thing we're going to want to do is customize your site. Right here under dashboard, you want to hit that button. Okay, so now get comfortable with this. This is our Zerif Lite admin. So it's different than, let me go back here just to familiarize yourself with it. This is where we're going to be actually customizing the different features and look of the site. If you ever want to go back to your WordPress dashboard, you go here and you close out this and it takes you to the back end. So this is almost like an overlay, like the customize template. This is sort of the template customizer, and you can think of this as you're going to go through each section and get familiar with all these sections. Don't worry, we'll tackle one at a time. And if you ever need to go back to your dashboard, however, change your profile name, password, do anything like that, you just simply X out of it. And if you ever want to go back into the Zerif Lite theme template, you just go to customize your site. Okay, so now once we're here, we're going to begin going through step by step each section of the website and make it our own. Okay, so if you're ready, I'm ready, let's get going.